Hi, I'm Dale from Chadwick, Carpentry and Construction. We're based in Devon. We're here today working with Cladco Profiles. We're proud members of the Federation of Master Builders, and we're going to introduce you to the decking system, subframes, and what's important to get right. So before we get on to building the subframe deck, we need to check the ground conditions. Make sure that if you're building on clay, marshland, or anything like that, wet areas, that you seek technical advice on the best way to build out of the ground. So before we get on to building our subframe deck, we're going to be using recycled plastic. There are other alternatives on the market for your subframe. The most commonly used is timber. It's your entry level. A lot of people use it, but it has got the shortest lifespan, probably out of all the products.
Another alternative for your subframe are Cladco structural joists.
This has an even split of timber particles and recycled plastic. Longevity-wise, this is going to last a lot longer than your timber. Install time a little bit longer. You're going to have to install joist hangers on the end of these as there's no direct fixing. So our product of choice today is this recycled plastic subframe material. It's really good. It's as versatile as timber, a lot longer longevity. There's direct fixing, so it can be used exactly the same as timber. It doesn't need as much airflow, and it's definitely one that we would recommend to use. So one of the most important things if you're building your subframe is you're setting out, ensuring you take diagonal measurements, building your deck nice and square, and also ensuring it's level all the way around. So today we'll be using Cladco's Pro Deck board. So we'll be setting our joists out at 300mm centres, and then we nog in every 1200 coming back down the length of our joist to ensure a nice even flat deck. So one of the benefits of using the recycled plastic is as versatile as the timber. You're using a simple wood screw to fix your joist together. Where direct fixing into the end of the joist can't be obtained, whether you have a building here or you can't access this side, we would recommend installing joist hangers. They can be fixed directly into the side there, and then face fixed into your outside rail. So the subframe is key to get right. It's the most important bit of the deck. It's not the bit that you see and it's not the glamorous bit, but anything that goes on top won't last unless the subframe is correct. So here we're using Cladco's concrete block system. This elevates the subframe off of the ground. That will stop any moisture transfer up from underneath. It also allows for airflow. These can be finely tuned by purchasing the wedges separate, and they go in the frame like that, and then you can pack and level your frame from there. So another common system for fixing your subframe is posts let into the ground. These exactly the same material, same versatility as the timber. Direct fixing in. You would pick these up at metre sections in both directions and through the centre of your deck. These would be concreted in, and then you can adjust to your height. So along with Cladco's concrete foot system, there's this concrete post. They come in a 4-foot and a 2-foot. They're already pre-notched and pre-drilled, ready to take the fix in, and the universal wedges can then be used to pack the post in all 4 directions and also again in height. Alongside the Cladco foot system and post system that can be used together, these can be used separate. These can be concreted straight into the ground to get your desirable height, still using the joist system to fix through. So with Cladco's Pro Deck board, you have a starter clip for your edging. These are then fitted along the joist system on your subframe, and they simply clip in there. We'll drop the full board in now. Before installation of your decking boards, we recommend that you lay them out so you can see any variation in colours. You can then mix them as you work your way through laying your decking. We're using Cladco's preloaded decking clips. These speed up installation times per square metre by 33%.
When we are installing the decking, we like to use Cladco locking clips. They need to be installed at the centre of the board. They will help clamp the board down, so if there is any expansion and contraction, the board will always return to its spot.
So here we have one example of how we would join the boards end on end. We've got 7mm spacing for expansion.
They're sat on a double joist, and it's important that when you're lining the boards, that you also look for colour variations and try and pair them up as well.
An alternative way to join the boards is to use a breaker board system. Double joist either side, 7mm expansion either side, and it gives a nice clean break all the way through the deck. Using Cladco's recycled plastic subframe system will ensure that your installation is fully covered by our warranty. You can find full details and installation guides on our website or call us on 01837 659 901.